Hello students, in chapter 2 network models our next topic is addressing. Addressing is very important topic for our TCP/IP protocol shoot because at the different layers we need different type of addressing, or in the network at different levels we need to different type of address for the reliable delivery of our data from source to destination. Okay, let's discuss the addressing. Any communication that involve two parties need two type of address. Okay, need two type of address. We have logical communication between the layers, as we already discussed in the chapter 1 that between our layers we have logical communication. Okay, now two parties need two address. Mainly address is a source address, that address is the address of your computer or address of your sender device. Source address is the address of sending device or the sender device, and the second address is the destination address. This is the address of the receiving device, the device who receives the package or who receives the data. We need two addresses. For example, this one is our sender and this one is our receiver. Sender and this device is our receiver. These two need to address for their uniquely identification in the world or in the network. The address of the sender is the source address or the sender address, or the address of the receiver is the receiver address or the destination address. Okay, mainly we have four level of addresses in the internet that are used in TCP/IP protocol shoot: physical address, logical address, port address, and specific address. Physical address is also called as the MAC address. Also called as the MAC address. Logical address is the IP address, and this one is also called as the service point address. And this is the specific address at the application layer for different type of services we are using. Let's see one by one with a complete description and why we need these addresses in our computer network. First one, here we will see addressing in TCP, the PDUs of our different layers in the TCP/IP protocol shoot. At the physical layer, our PDU is bits. We already see that one. Second, at data link layer, our PDU is frames and the size is 1500 bytes. At network layer, our PDU is datagram. The size is 2 key power 16 bytes. At the transport layer, our PDU is the segment and the size is 2 key power 16 minus header size bytes. And the application layer, our PDU is message and the size may be of any size. Okay. Here, if we talk about the address, data link layer is mainly the network interface. And we have the physical address. At the data link layer, we have physical address, or also called as the MAC address. Why we call this one as the MAC address? At data link layer, we have the medium access controls that help us to access into any type of network. Because of accessing, we will not face any type of problem like access control means collision in our packets, or the packets get dropped because of the lack of the bandwidth, or these type of problems. So we need physical address or the MAC address, a unique address which identify our particular device into the network. And at the network layer, we have logical address, also called as IP address, internet protocol address. Transport layer, we have port address, also called as service point address, because at network layer our communication is between the process and the delivery is process to process reliable delivery. And for that process we represent any type of service with a port number. Like if you are downloading a particular thing, you are using a transferring a file, you are using FTP protocol. When you are sending a mail, you are using SMTP protocol. These are different services. And we also have the same thing with the name of protocols at the application layer. we call them as a specific addresses or the names, or you can say the protocols at the application layer. First of all, we will go for the physical layer. Physical layer does not need any address because physical layer deals with the physical layer deals with the physical mediums or the hardware devices. Okay, hardware devices, and the unit of data exchange at the physical layer is a bit, which cannot need any address, because at data link layer sorry, at physical layer we represent our data in the form of stream of bits of 0 1 1 1, and for a bit we need not any address. We need a synchronization that will be provided by the physical layer in the form of transmission modes. Okay, next stage, data link layer. At data link layer our address is called the physical address or the MAC address. Define a specific host or router in a network, like the LAN or WAN. LAN or WAN means local area network or in the wireless network, because the physical address is also called as the link address. In some books you find this term also called as the link address. Address of a node as defined by its LAN or WAN means when you are connecting through this LAN cable, or your systems are connected to this LANs, to identify these devices, you need a physical address. Which one? Physical address means physically exist. You can say physical address means address which one is physically exist. Physically exist. And this physical address is physically exist in the network interface card of your machine. Network interface card of your machine. If you change your network interface card, your physical address gets changed. Your physical address gets changed. It is a 48-bit number. This address, physical address, is a 48-bit number. We will discuss this one in a complete detail in the data link layer. 48-bit number on your network interface card. Then the representation of this one is hexadecimal representation, or you can say the 6-byte address. 6 bytes address on your network interface card, and this is the unique number of your machine in the world and provided by your machine manufacturer. If you change the network interface card of your machine, your MAC address gets changed. Okay, if you not change your NIC card, your MAC address or your physical address is same. When either you move from India to America or from America to Switzerland or anywhere in the world, your physical address is always same until you didn't not change your NIC card. Okay, and this physical address is included into the frame. Okay, when you used the data packet, or when you are sending a data in the form of frame from the sender data link layer to the receiver data link layer. Next, at the network layer, we use the logical address. At the network layer, we use the logical address, and also called as the IP address. Also called as IP address. That address uniquely identify your connection, not your machine. Please remember this thing. This IP address will identify the connection of your device, not the device. Not a device. This one is connection of your device. So many students get confused. IP address is the IP address of our machine. No, IP address is the address of the connection of your machine, in which network your device is connected. That connection address is called the IP address or the logical address. It is a software number, not a physical number. You not printed on anywhere on your machine, or not physically exist. It is a software number. When you change the connection with another network, your logical address or your IP address gets changed. For example, this is a network 1, and this is a network number 2, and this is the network number 3. Okay, here now your device is present in network number 1. Here your IP address is something else, means different. And if you move this device to network number 2, your device to network number 2, for example, now this is the network of Delhi, this is the network of Mumbai, and here this network is in Ahmedabad. When you move your machine from Delhi to Mumbai and connect to some networks or some Wi-Fi, your IP address gets changed because you connected to different network. The network you connected already in Delhi, so your IP address gets changed because your connection get changed. Okay, that's why I'm saying IP address or logical address is the address of your connection of your device to a internet or to a network. When you come to Ahmedabad, your device is also moved with you. Then you connect with a different network in Ahmedabad, your IP address also gets changed. Your IP address also gets changed. When a machine moves from one network to another network, the IP address gets changed. When your machine moves from one of the network to another network, your physical address cannot change because that is the net address of your NIC card that is physically existed, not a software number. Okay, and that is the device of your number. So please note this point. Your please note down this point. Not physical address is the address of machine. Physical address is the address of your device. Address of device and physically exist, or you can say printed on your NIC card. Printed on NIC card. Okay. Second, logical address. Logical address is the address of connection. Address of connection of your device. Connection of device in network. Okay, in the network or to the network, you can say. And also please note down two important notes also. Two important notes also. First one is when a device moves from one network to another network, one network to another network, your physical address not changed. Please remember this one here. Device, I'm talking about device. Your physical address not change. Not change. Your IP address get changed. Your IP address change. Okay, and questions in so many exams are asked. And your IP address is also called have topological significance. Topological significance. Topological significance means when you change the particular topology, means network, your IP address gets changed. Okay, this is all about the IP address. It is a IP address comes into two version, IPv4 and IPv6. Okay, this is 32-bit number and this is a 128-bit software number. We will discuss the IP address in our network layer. Next is our address at the transport layer. At transport layer, our address is the port address, or we also call that one as a port address or the service point address. Service point address, because at the network transport layer, the main responsibility is process to process delivery, and process is any program in execution. Process is any program in execution. And for representing that process service, we need a port number, and our address is the port number or the port address. Port address is identify a process on a host. Okay, port number identify a process on a host. Okay, now let's. Port numbers are the local address distances between several programs running on the same host. Several programs running on the same host. Several program means, for example, you are transferring a file, you are using FTP, you are downloading a movie, you are using HTTP or other protocol, you are sending an email, you are using SMTP, POP or IMAP4, this type of service. Means different processes running, different service you are using, different port address you are using. If we don't distinguish between the processes, our system gets confused. Which type of service is provided to which type of particular process? Okay, when you want to download a movie, but the service is providing email service. When you want to browse anything on your computer through google.com, but that time the service is provided to your computer means downloading a movie. So our system not gets confused about the services or processes. We define different numbers to that processes or different numbers to services. We can easily distinguish between the services and correct delivery of the packet to particular process, accurate delivery of the particular process. We need port number. Port address is a 16-bit address and total to key power 16 particular services our we have or particular port numbers we have. Particular port numbers we have. 65,535 total port numbers we have. Means 36 0 to 65,535 total port numbers we have available now. Next, we are going to discuss in the application layer. At the application layer, mainly our communication is between the processes, or application is mainly responsible for providing services to the user. We normally use the specific address as the name defined the site that provides service. For example, you are using anything like you are browsing data from www.google.com. Means specific addresses means names to that service, or you are sending email to someone, or means you can say abc at the rate gmail.com, or you want to download a movie from anywhere, like you want to download movie from the amazonprime.com. Okay, this way means we provide specific address as the specific names to define the site that provides services or emails. Means they are the user friendly address. We can easily remember that addresses. We can easily remember that addresses. Human recognized names, because for human beings remembering a number is very difficult, but remembering the name is very easy. For that's why we use the particular names or the specific addresses by for using the services from the internet, because we already discussed application layer is providing service to the user, and for the user remembering the name is very easy as compared to remembering the numbers. That's why at application layer we use specific addresses or the names of the services. So these are the main addresses we use in the TCP/IP protocol shoot, and sometimes directly questions comes into exams. Particular physical address or match the following comes. Please match the correct list one to list two. This type of question may be asked directly in many exams. Now, physical address. This is a summary about the addresses. Please remember that one. Physical address known as the link address at the data link layer, or the address of your device. IP address is the define the host on the internet, means your connection address in the internet network. Port address is the process running in your host or the port number of the service you are using in your system. Specific address is the address or the name of the service you want to use. Okay. Next we will discuss about the complete details. Okay,